Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and I'm here with Millie to give a lesson tutorial out of our middle school math kit. Make sure to hit our subscribe button to keep up to date with all things Mango Math. Ratio Rally is a game in which we're getting students to understand ratio and use ratio language. This game takes about 10 to 15 minutes to play. It can be played in pairs. It can be played with more than just two players. And then they just put their initials when they close a box. Normally it's just played with two players. And they're competing against each other to see who is going to be the last person to draw a line segment and claim a box. You might have seen this game around before. It's a very common game that's been around for quite a while. So the first person's going to go and they're going to draw a line segment anywhere that's going to connect these two dots, or any two dots. So they're just going to continue go around drawing line segments upon line segments, each taking a turn drawing a different line segment. They're just going to go round and around drawing these line segments. It takes a little bit of time to get this game going, but that's how it gets started, students drawing line segments. So to move this game along, I've taken a little leap here and get us going. So as you can see, they filled in all these line segments all around the board. As students are looking at the line segments that are drawn, they might notice that somebody has filled in 3 line segments, so they can draw that last line segment and put their initials in the box. So that student gets that one box, and then if you close the box, you get to go again, and you can draw your line segment anywhere you want to. So let's say they just draw it up there. Now it's the next player's turn, and as they're looking around, they're trying to see if anybody has closed anything off that might allow them to make a box. I see one here. So like I said, I can close it off, draw my initials in it, and draw another line segment. Not wanting to leave 3 line segments for the other player, I find one that just has 2 and I draw that line. So as you can see, we can continue to progress in this game. So let's say it's the C's player's turn and they draw a line, they write their C in, and they can make another line segment, and notice they get to claim that box also. Get another C, they can draw another line, create another C, and they can continue on as long as they can close a box. They can continue on as long as they're able to do that. So now they're left and they've got to just draw a line segment. So let's say they do one right here. And now it's the M player's turn. So the M is going to see if they can close off any boxes. They see this one, they close off that one, this other one. They see they can do one over here and get this one and that one. And now they're looking around to see if they can create any more boxes. Draw that third line. I see one right here. Draw my M. See if there's any others. Looking around, I don't see anything, so I'm just going to draw a line segment. So the game continues on like that as you're claiming boxes. As you can see, we have finished up the game. So now we're going to count up how many are filled in by C. So the C person's going to count up all of theirs, which equals 22. The M person's going to count up theirs, which equals 28. And if you add up both of these numbers together, it should be 50, because there's 50 total boxes here. So they have a ratio of 28 to 22. Now they can reduce that down or simplify that down to 14 and 11. So they have a ratio of 14 to 11. Now we want to know what the ratio of the winning player was. And they're going to figure that percent out, which it comes out to 56%. And so they won with 56% of the boxes filled. So this is what the students will do each time they play this game, is figure out their ratio, one player to the other, and then their percent of the whole win. What was the answer when they divide 28 into 50. Thank you for checking out our video and seeing how to play these great Mango Math games. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more Mango content, and check out our website at www.mangomath.com.